This video shows how to connect Dify to local LLMs using Ollama for complete privacy. Install Ollama using the official install script, curl sssf https://ollama.com/install sh and follow prompts. Pull a local model with Ollama, pull Llama 2-7b or replace with your chosen model name. Start the Ollama service with Ollama Serve and watch the localhost API come online on port 11434. Confirm the endpoint at http://localhost 11434 and open network settings to ensure no external calls are enabled. List running models with Ollama LS to verify your model is loaded locally. Open Dify settings and locate the config file at ~.diffy/config.json. In the config, set model endpoint to http://localhost 11434 and set no cloud to true. An example config sets the model endpoint to the localhost endpoint and no cloud to true for full local inference. Restart Dify, then in the UI select your local model and save the connection. Test locally by sending a post to the localhost API with a simple prompt specifying model Llama 2-7b and expect a fast local response. Privacy confirmed. All traffic stays at localhost. Try this setup today and run AI fully on your machine.